I'm sitting here in my office and working on some stuff. And this thought came up. If you want to have a specific fruit in your life, in other words, you want to achieve something in your life and there's a certain purpose that you are pursuing in your life, you have to plant the right seed for it. Now, if you want to have apples, you have to plant an apple seed to produce an apple tree that will produce you apples, right? So if you want to have a successful life, if you want to live in peace, if you want to live in harmony, if you want to be successful, you got to plant the seed. And that seed needs to be planted in your soul, in your inner man. It is from the inside out that we are successful and that we will achieve certain things. So I want to encourage you. Join the Better Me classes, join the Better Me program, purchase your book, the Better Me book from me, email me, go to the email that will appear now, email me and get your manual or your book, a Better Me book, and become part of a Better Me program. All right, so I just wanted to remind you, have a blessed evening or wherever you are in the world. I will send you all the details that you need if you have any questions. All right, but email me and let's get started. See you then. Bye-bye.